Hi everyone, I am Supratim Subradash, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering of Volume Step Technology. Today I will give a short talk on BiCMOS technology.
Now, what is BiCMOS? BiCMOS is one of the major semiconductor technologies and is a highly developed technology. In 1990s, two separated technologies were incorporated, namely BJT, that is offering high gain and speed, and CMOS, which excels for low power design in a single modern IC. BiCMOS is able to achieve speed, power density performance previously unattainable with either technology individually. In short, advantages of BJT and CMOS circuits can be retained in a BiCMOS chips. Characteristics of bipolar technology. Let's discuss some important characteristics of bipolar technology, which include high switching speed, higher gain, high power dissipation, lower input impedance, low packing density, and so on. Now let's move on to some important characteristics of CMOS. For example, lower static power dissipation, higher noise margins, higher packing density, high input impedance, high delay load sensitivity, low gain, and so on. Now, combining these characteristics, BiCMOS technology possesses some notable properties like improved speed over purely CMOS technology, lower power dissipation than purely bipolar technology, improved current drive over CMOS, improved packing density over bipolar, high gain and low noise.
The basic fabrication process flow is shown here, which combine the CMOS and bipolar technology process flow as mentioned here. The cross-sectional schematic of a BiCMOS device is captured in this figure, which shows how CMOS and bipolar transistors are fabricated in one substrate by forming NOL and POL wherever required. A basic BiCMOS inverter circuit is shown in this figure, where the PN and PDN are separately shown. Both of them contain both MOS and bipolar transistors. In a conventional BiCMOS inverter circuits, the load Z1 and Z2 are replaced with proper sized NMOS transistors as shown here. Now let's take a look on pros and cons of BiCMOS. The pros I have already discussed. Now in cons, we must include that this technology bears increased manufacturing cost due to complex process technology. Speed degrades if scaling is performed. But it has been found experimentally that the rate of increase of its efficiency is more than the rate of increase of its cost than that of CMOS. The application of BiCMOS technology is evitable in full custom ICs, semi-custom ICs, standard cells, gate arrays, etc. Here is some example of BiCMOS products available in market. Now we may conclude saying that in the analog market, the ability to integrate large mixed systems provide the compelling cost advantage of BiCMOS. This is a complement to pure CMOS and bipolar technologies in important system application areas. One of the main challenges facing BiCMOS design is to maintain its performance gain at lower voltage levels. Now this slide I am ending my talk. Thank you.